Okay, so it is day 4 post-op. I had spent my day in training at a conference table with a conference chair. Not a ton of moving around, but I was good and got up every hour on the hour. I did bring my handy dandy little ice maker, ice therapy machine with me to the training, which made a big difference. Then I came home. It has been about an hour in the car. So now I'm home comfortably resting with my dog, who's hanging out right here, and my cat, who's hanging out right here, and my ice machine. So overall, I'm doing well. I did not sleep great last night, I will say that. I'm looking forward to tonight, hoping it will be better. As a reminder, I'm still only taking acetaminophen and a muscle relaxer. I have not taken any of the narcotics that have been provided to me. So overall, I'm pretty impressed. My incision area is quite bruised. It's starting to look a little bit like a sunset, but aside from that, things seem to be good. So I will keep you updated.